Did you know there's a small green fruit that can help your body fight sickness, make your skin glow, grow your hair faster, improve your brain power, support your bones, and even help you live longer? Sounds amazing, right? This fruit is called amla, also known as the Indian gooseberry. The scientific name of amla is Phyllanthus emblica. We are going to take a deep and exciting journey into the world of amla. Amla is a round green fruit, about the size of a small ball. It grows on the amla tree mostly found in India and some parts of Southeast Asia. The fruit has a sour and tangy taste, but don't be fooled by its sharp flavor. This fruit is one of the healthiest on the planet. In Ayurveda, which is an ancient Indian system of natural medicine, amla has been used for over 2,000 years. It's known as a healing fruit with many amazing uses. Amla is super rich in vitamin C. It has more vitamin C than oranges, lemons, or even strawberries. Ancient Ayurvedic texts called it the nectar of immortality. Modern science confirms it has 20x more vitamin C than oranges. NASA studied it for astronaut nutrition. This vitamin boosts your immune system, makes your skin brighter, and even helps wounds heal faster. Amla is also packed with iron for healthy blood, calcium for strong bones and teeth, fiber for smooth digestion, antioxidants for fighting diseases, vitamin A and E for eyes and skin. Every tiny bite of amla is like a power punch of nutrients. Amla boosts immunity. Your body fights sickness using its immune system. Amla gives a big boost to this system, making sure your body is ready to fight off colds, flus, fevers, and other illnesses. The vitamin C in amla increases your white blood cells, which are the body's soldiers. Studies show it increases white blood cell production by 30%. These cells destroy germs and viruses that try to make you sick. But that's not all. The antioxidants in amla help stop damage to your cells. They act like a shield, protecting you from pollution, stress, and even aging. Contains 5 special antioxidants you won't find together anywhere else. If you get sick often, feel tired, or have trouble recovering from illness, try eating amla regularly. It can truly help build a strong, healthy body that resists disease. Amla improves digestion. Do you feel uncomfortable after eating? Do you have problems like gas, bloating, or constipation? Amla can make your tummy feel a lot better. It helps your food break down easily, makes digestion smoother, and helps your body take in more nutrients from the food you eat. 1 amla has 5g fiber. That's like eating 2 bowls of oatmeal. Amla balances acid levels in the stomach and supports healthy bowel movements. It helps relieve constipation, reduces gas and bloating, and calms inflammation in the gut. Amla juice in the morning is one of the best things to kickstart your digestion for the day. Amla is good for heart health. Your heart is the engine of your body. It needs to be taken care of every day. Amla is a natural heart protector. It works by lowering bad cholesterol, LDL, increasing good cholesterol, HDL, and keeping your blood vessels clean and clear. It helps in lowering blood pressure levels and reducing inflammation around the heart. Amla can help reduce the risk of heart attacks, strokes, and other heart diseases. It's like giving your heart a daily dose of love and care. Amla helps in weight loss, trying to lose extra weight. Amla can be your natural assistant on this journey. Drinking amla juice with warm water every morning can help you feel full, energized, and ready to make healthier food choices throughout the day. Amla keeps skin clear and glowing. Amla is one of the best natural skincare remedies out there. If you want healthy, glowing, and youthful skin, this is the fruit for you. It helps with clearing pimples and acne, fading dark spots and blemishes, reducing signs of aging like wrinkles, giving skin a fresh, radiant glow. You can drink amla juice, apply amla paste or powder to your face, or mix it with other natural ingredients like honey or turmeric. Amla makes hair healthy and strong. If your hair is falling out, turning grey early, or feels dry and weak, amla can help. It strengthens your hair from the roots and makes it thicker and longer, softer and shinier, free from dandruff, less likely to break. Amla oil massage and eating amla regularly can bring back life to dull and tired hair. Amla sharpens memory and brain power. Amla isn't just for the body, it helps your brain too. It improves brain health by supporting brain cell repair, improving focus and concentration, reducing stress and anxiety, slowing down memory loss in old age. Perfect for students preparing for exams, busy professionals, or older adults who want to stay sharp. Amla supports eye health. Your eyes are precious, and Amla takes care of them too. It contains vitamin A, which improves vision, soothes dry, itchy, or red eyes, prevents eye infections, protects against early vision loss and cataracts. Drink Amla juice or eat raw Amla to keep your eyes strong and healthy. Amla controls diabetes. For people with diabetes, Amla is a natural helper. It lowers blood sugar levels, improves the body's response to insulin, protects kidneys and nerves from damage, reduces sugar cravings. Always check with your doctor first, but adding Amla to your daily routine could really help manage your diabetes better. Amla strengthens bones and teeth. Growing kids, adults, and seniors all need strong bones and teeth. Amla supports that too. It increases calcium absorption in the body, strengthens joints and bones, reduces bone pain and stiffness, prevents tooth decay and gum issues. Including Amla in your meals can keep your skeleton and smile strong for years. Amla fights aging and inflammation. Amla is like a time machine in a fruit. It slows down the signs of aging and keeps you feeling young and energetic. It fights free radicals that age your body, reduces inflammation in joints, muscles, and organs, improves skin and organ health, boosts overall energy levels. Use it daily for long-term strength and beauty. There are many fun and easy ways to add Amla to your daily life. Eat fresh Amla slices with a pinch of salt. Drink Amla juice plain or mixed with other fruits. Use Amla powder in smoothies, yogurt, or warm water. Take Amla capsules if you prefer supplements. Apply Amla oil to your scalp and hair. Add Amla to homemade chutneys or pickles. Try different ways and see what works best for you. Amla is more than just a fruit. It's a full body and mind health booster. From your skin to your brain, from your heart to your bones, Amla takes care of you inside and out. Start with something simple today. A spoon of Amla juice, a piece of fresh fruit, or a small Amla candy. Make it a habit, and over time you'll feel the change in your energy, strength, and health. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing health content. Thanks for watching. Stay healthy, stay happy, and let Amla help you live your best life.